Cleaning. Yan o, low tide ngayon. So, they're harvesting. Gleaning daw yung term. So, we're in Tango Glan, no? Hacienda Don Juan. Ang bisyo. Ayun. Yan. This is low tide. Low tide. Yan. Ito yung mga bakasyonista. Low tide in Tango Glan, Sarangani. Ayan, nag-harvest sila. Low tide, so they're exploiting yung low tide to harvest shells. So this is nice na rest area here. See, yan na, relaxing place. So relaxing, no? Going out. Ito yung mga amenities nila. We've been here before. Highly recommended, no? Na resort. Hacienda Don Juan in Tango Glan, Sarangani. This is one of the southernmost, if not the southernmost province in the country. Ito yung ancestral house. Nakita nyo na yung ancestral? Gusto nyo sandali? Tingnan nyo. Dito sila, oh. Sandali sila. Mahira yung tingin na lang, few minutes. Ito yung mga settlers, itong mga bahay nila. Yung mga yan.